Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm Dominique. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do these chunky twist extensions on my big chop haircut. So I actually did a similar hairstyle already on my YouTube channel. I did mini twists. I did use a different hair brand, but they're honestly all the same. Anytime I'm using rubber bands in my hair, I always like to oil them. It just kind of helps not snag and pull on my hair, and it just kind of release tension, especially because I'm adding hair to my hair. I don't want to be causing too much tension and a headache. So please ignore this freaking mountain on my face. My hormones are unbalanced right now. Just ignore it. So like I said, I am doing a rubber band crochet method. Just be mindful you don't need to tie your rubber band super tight. As you can see in the back, I left a few strands out. Do what you have to do to make sure you are not causing yourself a headache. So anytime I'm using this hair, I always like to cut it in half. You just get more hair doing it this way. I only use one pack for this hairstyle, and that's why I love using this hair. And even though I cut this hair in half, you see I still have length. I did go with a longer hair length this time. Last time I used, I think 16 inch. This is 24 inch, but it's still at a good natural length in my opinion. So when you're adding hair, I definitely suggest going based on how thick your hair is and how big the part is, because it'll just be easier to blend. I'm using a twist and butter this time. Last time I used a twist and cream. It's pretty much all the same. You can use any product, honestly. So this is very self-explanatory. I'm just crocheting the hair into my hair. I like to use the end of the hair to crochet it. It's just easier to do it. This is why I say you don't need to tie your rubber band super tight, because once you add the hair, you're already causing more tension to your hair, so just be mindful of that. My hair is at an awkward length right now, so some strands are longer than the other. The parts that are longer, I like to braid the root and then twist, but some of my strands are just too short to braid, so I just start twisting. So sometimes this hair is hard to work with. Sometimes when you twist it, it will unravel, as you can see in the next clip. So if this happens, just try to twist it in the other way, add more product, or just play around with it. It's really annoying sometimes, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. Honestly, the most tedious part of this hairstyle is just doing the parts, especially if you have short hair like me. Other than that, just try to play around with it, twist it different ways, and you'll eventually get there. But because this hair is so natural, I feel like it doesn't have to be perfect. So these are the results of my hair. Even though some of my twists aren't perfect and some might be unraveling a bit, I still feel like it looks very natural. That's why I love doing this hairstyle, because it's very cheap to do and it's just natural looking. And these are some of the hairstyles that I like to do when I wear this hairstyle. It's just so natural looking. I just keep saying that because it's just my go-to hairstyle. It's so quick and easy, and it doesn't have to be perfect if you don't want it to be. But if you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure you like, subscribe, and click the bell so you can be notified when I post a new video, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.